Good morning, students. Today we are supposed to start the exercise of this chapter. So first you should mark the questions which you need to write in your copy on page number 119 in short answer type of question number 1 to 5 that you need to write in your copy. The answers are given in the book. You should go through once and search the answer. Next, in question number 3, the first and the second you need to do. Rest all the numerical questions which are there in the exercise you need to solve in your copy. So we'll start with the first question in essential practice. In 2016-17, the contribution of primary, secondary and tertiary sectors to India's GDP, that hypothetical figure. So GDP was 17.6%, 28.2% and 54.2% respectively. It means the role of primary sector was 17%, role of secondary sector was 28% and the tertiary sector was 54.2%. Okay. In 2017-18, this share were 17.7, 27 and 55.3 respectively. Present this information in the form of a table. Okay, so we need to make a table with the information which is given to us here. So first we will write the table number 5. Okay, here we have the data about the contribution of primary, secondary and tertiary sectors to India's GDP. Okay, so contribution of different sectors to India's GDP. Now the head note, that is in percentage. It means the figure which are being presented here is there in the percentage. Now we have the figures for all the three sectors year wise. So we'll leave a column here, that is to write the years. Now the primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector, and the total. The years 2016-17 and 2017-18. The role of primary sector in 2016-17, we can see here respectively it is given 17.6, so 17.6, then 28.2, then 54.2. We'll do the total 0, 2, 2, 4 and 6, 10. 0 carried 1, 5, 13 and 7, 20. So 0 carried 2, 7, 8, 9 and 10. That is the 100%. Now we have the figures of 2017-18, that is 17.7%, 27.0% and 55.3%. Again we will do the total. 3 and 7 10, carried 1 6, and 7 13, and 7 20, carried 2 7 8 9, and 1 10. So that is again 100%. Now we have made the table. Now the source, here it is given that it is an hypothetical figure. So source, hypothetical figures. This is how we make a table in a proper format. Now we will move towards the second question. Question number 2. It is prepare a sketch of such a table that exhibits the following type of information on the number of students in your college. Faculty wise, arts, commerce and science. Class wise, 9th 11th B. Class wise, 11th BA, 1st BA, 2nd and BA, 3rd. Sex wise, boys and girls. So we'll prepare the table. First we start with the table number. Table number 6. This is the information about the number of students in our college. Number of students in college. Now we will make a table. Now we need to do it in 3 ways: faculty wise, class wise and sex wise. So what we do, we make the rows as faculty wise: arts, commerce and science. Now we will make the classes as 11th, it is boys and girls. Then BA first, boys, girls. Then BA second, boys, girls. Then BA third, boys and girls. We don't have any figure, we just need to frame out the table. So this is the table in which we have given the information about the faculty, about the classes, and as the boys and girls about the sex. So we got all the information with this table. So this is the question number 2. Now in question number 3, what is been given here is following information is relates to the exports from India to USSR and UK in the year 2015, 16, 17 and 18. Present it in a form of a table. Okay, so the data is given, we need to present it in the form of a table. So we'll make the table for that. Question number 3 on page number 120. Table number 7. This is about exports from India to USSR and UK. Export from India to USSR and UK. These figures is given here that the figures are in crores. Okay, so in rupees crore. Now we'll make it in the form of a table. Here country, here will be up down and country will be in the row columns. So we have 4 years, 15, 16, 17 and 18. (2015, 2016, 2017 and 2018). Countries: USSR and UK and total. In 2015 to USSR it was 209, 416, 1305 and 1655 in respective years. So we will write the figures. To USSR it was 209, then 416, then 1305 and then 1655 respectively. To UK it was 170, then 421, then 550 and then 670. We do the total. Five, so this is a table about the data of the export from India to UK and USSR. So now we have question number 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 remaining. In question number 4 point out the mistake in the following table. You just need to find out the mistake, what mistake is being given here, is been made here, and then you need to make it in a correct order. In question number 5, the information is given about the marks secured by the students. You need to make it in the form of a table. Then this is again the same question. This will be made as a two-way table. Then draw a blank table to show the distribution of population according to sex, literacy and income. All these type of questions we have solved, so you can easily do this. So this will be your homework to solve question number 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 on page number 120. And if you are unable to solve any question, you can send a message that this question to be solved, then we'll do the questions. Otherwise we'll start the next chapter, that is diagrammatic presentation of data, in the next video when we meet. Thank you.